I'm Sheikh Mohammed guys. I'm going to explain on Java project. On Java project, it's maximizing the number of broadcast operation. Here, what happen in the existing, if you send any data from server to client, it will come directly to the server to client. We cannot communicate through any node or something. So after receiving the data to the client give a positive acknowledgement to the server, but we don't know the actual data is received to the client or not, the full data the client received or not. So what happened in the proposal, we are doing that we send the whatever the communication will be there, it will be through the node. That node we call the pivot node, and every time if we send any data to the server to the client, it's through the pivot node only. So what happened, each and every pivot node in the network have some predefined charge. The maximum charge one pivot node can hold is 100. So we can send, whenever we'll send the data, we can send through the pivot node. So before sending the data, whatever the pivot node would be in the network, all information will be there in the server. So before sending it, he will schedule in the network that which pivot node has the maximum charge in the meantime. After that only it will send the data. Suppose server has to send some 80 capability of data to the client, so it must have to choose one pivot node which pivot node has the maximum charge at least 80 or more than 80. So whenever it will be scheduled, it will be the which node have the maximum charge in the network, that node will be selected as the pivot node. Then server will send the data to the pivot node and pivot node to the client. So what happened, the advantages of the proposed system is that how much data we are sending and how much the client will receive, we have the actual information by packets. After receiving each and every packet, the client will give one acknowledgement to the client, so we know how many packets will received by the client. So what happen, whenever we'll send the data and whenever client is receiving the data, that time the fully information about the data sending and the transmission will get by the server. So if in the server, if any data loss, means we can send that and again client can receive the fresh data. So this is the advantage of propose. So this application we can use in the chat applications, like in the chatting we have to send the data frequently. So each and every time we have to send the data and we have to receive the data. So whenever we send the data, we have to send in the packet manner and client can easily receive. That's all about this.